Hello guys, Cop here, and today I'm going to show you how to UV unwrap a road in Blender. So I'm going to show this road here. I'm making a rainbow road track, and you can see the textures mapping on it is very distorted. I want to fix that, so I'm going to click on my road, hit tab to go into edit mode, shift G, select all the road material, then click here to make a new window and go to the UV editor. Now you see if I press U, it brings up a context menu of several UV unwrapping algorithms, and what you will find is that most of these will not work on your course. Things like Smart UV Project will not work. You'll have to define seams to do this. However, there is a much easier way. Pressing U, pressing reset, this fits the UV map of each face to the UV grid. So what I'm going to do is rotate this 90 degrees, press R, type in 90. I'm going to scale it slightly to fit the rainbow road texture, pressing S. By shift, slow down the scaling. And now I have a UV unwrapped road. So, however, you will find at the corners where the faces are smaller, you can see that the texture is more compressed here than at parts where the faces are larger. So to fix this, I can press U again and then follow active quads. Now the UV mapping should be the same dimensions for all faces. As you can see here, some faces are larger and some are smaller, whereas before they were all the same in the previous step. The texture here is slightly squashed, I think, so I'm going to here S, press X to lock to X axis. I actually want to do Y axis and scale it down slightly. That's an appropriate scale. And I've now UV unwrapped my road.